to walk through a couple things today on our website. We've been adding things up for the holidays and things like that, and I started to not be able to find things on my own site. And I think what happened is, we've been creating designs for 18 years. We've been online for I think over 5. Had a website for 18 years, and products have gone up, and there's been new product lines and different categories created. Then we're not sure where this one goes, and let's put another category up. So it was a total mess of where everything was and how to find something. Well, you're in luck, because I spent the last 2 weeks every day reorganizing the whole website. So it's easy to find things, it's easy to shop. You might not notice a lot of changes to the way it looks. That's coming soon. But the website itself, back end, is organized completely differently. So start at the top left, you'll see design collections, sewing singles, education, join the club, which is about all access, back issues, and customer center, and finally blog. So if we start with, I'll go backwards. Customer center didn't change. Blog shows all the new blog entries. I just added 3 new ones today, or the last few days, and they're kind of reformatted. They look really contemporary and great. All access back issues are exactly what it says, but they're all organized in one place now, so they're easy to find, and you can click through those and see what came out in different months or different years. Education shows all the Anita's University, fundamentals, things like that, and that's all up under education. Sewing singles is exactly what it sounds like. It's singles. So the single to elephant design, the single latte design, they're all there. And now these categories, you can use that to actually sort the sewing singles. So if I'm looking for a fantasy design, all those come right up. So that's kind of cool. That's a brand new feature we added in to easily find things. Now, the main collection, the main section that I resorted and redid was under design collections. So instead of having all different product lines and confusing ways to sort things by special edition or premium collection, I basically broke everything we do down into 4 categories. The first one is embroidery. So designs you would put on a shirt, a towel, basically anything that's not a quilt or a project is under embroidery. Quilting is all quilting designs. That would be mix and match quilting, quilt feathers, anything that's made with a quilt. Projects are accessories, things like that. And the 1, 2, 3 collections are larger releases that are basically Playhouse 1, 2, 3, Flowers 1, 2, 3, Christmas, etc. They kind of stand on their own because they're kind of an all-inclusive set. So if we start by clicking embroidery, right away you'll see it sort, and the only designs you're going to see here are embroidery designs. You won't find projects, you won't find quilting. You'll see things like embroidery sets, lace, things like that. And you might imagine, well, that's a lot. It's 33 different pages of just embroidery collections. Well, here's what's really cool. You can now drill it down by category. So if I'm just interested in Americana embroidery, I click Americana, and just those designs are going to pop up. Women in uniform, motorhomes, patriotic gnomes, all those things will pop up there. Same as with fashion or outdoors or birds. If I just want to do birds, again, all these categories have been redone. All of our different bird collections are there. Okay, well that's birds for embroidery design collections. What about birds for quilting? So then I would pull our product line down, get rid of embroidery collection. And here's what's interesting is all the birds come up, whether they're a project, whether they're a quilting collection, or whether they're an embroidery collection, they're all here. So now if I want to say, all right, I just want to look at the quilts, I look at product line and I select quilting collection, and now all birds that are quilted will come up, and there's not as many. So it really allows you to narrow down your choices by product line, which is embroidery, quilting, projects, or 1, 2, 3, and then choosing your category. Or say I want to do Christmas, but I don't know what kind of project I want to do. I'll just clear all the search engines out. You can see there's 2,600 different collections. I just go down to Christmas, and then narrows that down to 289 different Christmas collections. And you'll see all the quilts, you'll see the regular embroidery designs, and you'll see the projects. Now if you say, now I kind of know what I want to do. I want to do a project. You click projects, and then all of our Christmas projects will pop up. So I think it's a really easy way to narrow down everything we've done at Anita over the last 18 years, because it really does fit into a few categories. Now, you're going to see a lot of other changes coming in the website. I think you're, as far as like video content and education, all that's being updated as we speak. So that'll all be coming out, basically fourth quarter. Your customer center is still the same. So your order history and your library and your wish list, that didn't change yet. That's going to get an upgraded look soon. And again, our education and different Anita's University and Watch and Stitch programs and all these things are also going to change as well. But right now it's sorted really well, so you can easily find the designs you're looking for. And if you have any questions, or if I put something in the wrong spot, be sure to call or email our customer experience team, and they'll get it sorted right away. I did about 3,000 selections in the last 2 weeks to get you all to this point.